Hey guys, it's Kat. Just wanted to pop on here to give you guys an apology because this video was uploaded yesterday for about 6 hours before I had it taken down, because I included a clip that is now taken out of this newer video because it included the Laura Lee palette, and I do not support racism whatsoever or people that portray that. I did not know the intensity of this controversy that Laura Lee got herself in over tweets that she made about people of color and Asian people, which, if you know me, I am half Japanese. My mother, my grandmother, my whole family is full-fledged Japanese and Asian. I grew up being called Jap. Till this day, I'm still called this. Jap, chink, zipper head, slant, dime slot, all of the words that you could think of. And to think that she is okay with this, it just doesn't vibe with me. I grew up in a school where when they found out my mother was tan and super full-fledged Japanese, they're like, who's your Asian nanny? They would call her my grandma, the old Asian chink, stuff like this. And I hope my mother's not seeing this. And this has no comparison. It's not even comparable to what people suffer, of people of color, and what they go through for years in history and decades, for forever. So I'm not here to get your guys' pity. I'm just telling my side of the story. Whenever I open PR, this is my first PR video I've ever made, I really look forward to opening products that YouTubers have created with big brands. So that's why I put her face in the title with the palette, because that was the only palette that had a YouTuber in it and that I was super excited about, because the first video I talked about how excited I was about just the palette, not knowing the intensity behind all this controversy and how terrible it is. So I took that out of this video because I don't want to make you think that I enjoy promoting people who support racism and just terrible, terrible things. And I hope that I didn't make you guys feel like any type of way that I believe that towards anybody else of people of color. It just makes me so incredibly sad to think what people go through, the names they're called, and everything. So with that being said, here's a video of me having fun going through makeup, looking through everything, testing things out, and I hope it will be a lighter video. And I hope, even if you don't accept my apology, even if you don't see my videos again, I hope I didn't make you feel absolutely like the worst person in the world that I know that the words that Laura has used made people feel. So that's just my thoughts, feelings on everything, and I hope some of you stick around. Thank you guys so much for watching this part and listening to me. Let's get on with the video of me being excited about makeup, and on a much lighter note than this. Mail time! Get your mail here. Get all your PR package, your Instagram subscription boxes, all your Boxy Birch box, Sephora Play Charm boxes. We got it all, sis. We're doing a PR unboxing haul. I hope these don't fall on my absolute precious face. Hey guys, I am popping my PR unboxing mail video type of thing virginity because I've seen a lot of YouTubers do this. There's my address. So I asked you guys on Instagram with those polls that I love so much if you would like to see me unbox this. All of these. I was gone on vacation. These are about 2 weeks of PR packages, and I realized I don't have a box cutter. This is starting off great, but we're gonna start off with easy breezy beautiful cover girl. If you guys are new to YouTube, the internet, Instagram, and all those types of things, people that do makeup on Instagram and YouTube, they, if they have a following of some sorts, or if they're just really good and a company likes them, companies send free makeup to people they like. And it's not a new thing. A little backstory, history on this. Back in the day when magazines were relevant in the news and everywhere, a lot of the journalists that did the sections on the magazines about beauty, style, fashion, and makeup, they would go on the brand trips, get free makeup. And now that magazines are irrelevant-ish, they give it to people like us that have a following, which I am super grateful for. I don't want anybody to think, first of all, disclaimer, warning, I am not making this video to be like, oh hey, look at all this free stuff I get, how amazing I am. Look at all the amazing deals and free makeup I get and you don't. I am actually going to save some of these for giveaways. I donate a lot to charity and I don't talk about it. At least 3 to 4 times a year I donate a lot of stuff to charity. So these are gonna go to good use in my kit or giveaways or to charity. So let's start with CoverGirl. They've been giving away such great things and we will see. Oh yes, sister, a little tropical moment. This makes me want to go to Hawaii, to Maui again. I've been there. Want to go again, just looking at these leaves. Are these banana leaves? Am I uncultured? Don't know. Ooh, but they got a little coconut. This is their new mascara. The CoverGirl, ooh, lash applying primer. Lash primer. I'm not usually a lash primer type girl, but I might try this. Ingredients has papaya, avocados, and coconut oils. I'm liking the sounds of that. This reminds me of the orange mascara, but she's blue. And I used to love the, I need to use waterproof, so I might not be able to use this. I might have to give it away because I could only use a waterproof mascara from sadness of anxiety, tears from actually allergies mostly. I shouldn't say that, but I do have a lot of anxiety. Get tears from allergies in my eyes and my contact lens wearer. So I might be giving these away because they are not waterproof, but this sounds exciting. I'm so scared that I am going to actually slice my face open on camera because that's just my luck. And I've actually, let's talk about bad experiences me opening PR not on camera. I've opened one of these box cutters, good thing it wasn't this big baby, it was a smaller one, backwards into my hands. Cause I'm smart. But let's see who this is from. I tried to block out all of the addresses so that I don't have an unexpected meet and greet. Oh my gosh. Yes, YSL Beauty, one of my favorite. I can't choose a favorite child when it comes to PR packages, but YSL Beauty's pretty up there. Look at the packaging, first of all. It's so fancy, too fancy for my life. You know me, I live in Elvis old t-shirts, drink iced coffee, and roam around gardens collecting flowers. I'm an old woman in my mind, body, and soul. Ooh! Oh yes! The All Hours stick foundation. I love their All Hours regular foundation and I don't normally use a stick foundation. I'm just not that type of girl, but I'm excited to try this because I love their liquid foundation. That looks like artillery bullets. I don't mean to offend or cause controversy in anything, but these babies, sister girl, let's can I match my shade? Is it the same shade numbers? I think they are. I'll have to look at my shade in the liquid. It has a Y on it. I love when they do stuff like that. I'm surprised this isn't heavier packaging. It's plastic, to be honest, but it's YSL. I'm just so surprised YSL didn't do a heavier packaging. It looks like a plastic, just regular lipstick bullet that's really super thick. But I'm excited to try that. And I'm definitely gonna give some of my makeup artist friends these. And if I have colors left over, I usually donate them. Yes, I donate YSL because I'm a crazy person. I'm not crazy, I just wanna give back. Anyways, let's go to the next PR box. Next one is from Sigma. They make my favorite sponges. Let's see if she's in here. They also make good eyeshadow palettes that are highly, highly, highly underrated. That are $40, which is surprisingly pricey for a Sigma in my opinion. Yes, leader of quality, get some air, the new Air Flat Kabuki. Oh, yeah, whoa, this is a crazy box. Let's see her. Ooh, it's magnetic. We love magnetic. I feel like magnetized everything makes everything better, because look. It's just the snap. Look, just ASMR real quick for a second. Listen to the magnetic packaging in makeup. Even though this isn't part of the makeup, it's just brushes in this thing. I might keep the box just to do this at night to satisfy my soul. Yes. Okay, these are the new Air Kabuki flat kabuki brushes. Air flat kabuki. I love duo fiber. I love when the brushes look like a skunk like that. Oh, yeah. They're so soft. I love duo fiber because I like to use them for both beauty and effects makeup. Ooh, this would be good for foundation. This is the Flat Kabuki F80. The one I showed you before is the Flat Kabuki Air F80. Oh, they're different. This one is a longer one, and oh, this one would be really good for effects of doing like dirt on the face. This is the Duo Fiber F50. I am so excited about her. Just wait for it. Oh, wait, there's a brush disturbing the piece. Yes, okay. We have so much more to go through. This one Corey accidentally opened, and it's okay. It is from, ooh, e.l.f. It is their Age Environmental Magnetic Mask Kit. Oh my gosh, Corey's gonna love this. He loves e.l.f.'s magnetic mask. Don't tell him I told you, but he's gonna love this. If he doesn't want it, I'll give it away to you guys. So basically, it's a dark, like charcoal looking mask, and then you have this wand that you put a little plastic piece over, and it magnetizes the mask off your face. It's insane cool. This next package does not say who. Oh, this is from Oprah. Oh yeah, Oprah baby. I can't wait to see what you had in store for me. Oprah baby. We have some Cleanse It Off makeup remover wipes. Can always use those. I didn't even know they made makeup remover wipes. There's 15 cotton lip wipes. Oh, these are to cleanse off your lips. Okay, sister. And they have a little lanyard. And they have their own beauty sponge. It's called the Perfecting Puff Latex Free Makeup Sponge. And, ooh, they got a little light. Perfecting Beauty Every Day. Oh, that's so cute. It's a little makeup bag and a mirror. Okay. That's a cute mirror. I could use that. I have some that companies gave me that have a mirror on the back and front, so it's like I can't film with it because it'll blind you. So that's super cute. I don't know why I like the mirror so much. It's gonna get super dirty, but I like it. We've got 2 more packages to go. This next one is from Glam Glow, honey. They always have cool packaging. Look at that. It looks like lava with black ink. Do you see that? Glam Glow Star Potion Liquid Charcoal Clarifying Oil. What? Let's look at this. Oh, I love it. It looks like black ink. I've been obsessed with squid documentaries. I know that's a random fact that I'm just telling you now, but me and my boyfriend love to watch undersea, like huge, we're gonna watch the Meg soon. Big squids, sharks, everything big under the ocean. We love it. This reminds me of the ink that I'm weird. The squids squirt. That's, what? Okay, let's talk about squids, Kat, while you're doing PR. Anyways, thank you, Glam Glow. This is amazing. One last PR. She's a big PR package, and it's from Milk Makeup. Ooh, I know what this is. It's gonna be a cute package moment. Come on. And I broke my cutter, my box cutter. Watch how cool this is gonna be. I saw it on people's Instagram. When you watch other people's PR on Instagram and you get PR, it kind of ruins the magic a little bit. It's like if you know what Santa's about to give you, but it's okay because look at this. Do you see? Oh, the text say blur and they're moving. Yes. Build your own blur. It's like a storybook pop-up book that I don't know how to do. It smells odd. How do you open this? Open sesame, please. Okay, it goes like this. Build your own blur, and then there's like, it's complicated. Oh, they got the blur stick, the illumination blur stick, and this is the matte blur stick. Okay, I'm gonna give those away because I have a ton of them. And oh yes, we got some Blur Liquid Matte Foundation. I'm gonna try this. Yes, foundation. I like how it comes in a squeezy tube. I'm so sick of the pumps because they're hard to get the foundation off. If more companies came in squeezy tubes, I would like it. And they have 24 shades, not bad. The darkest, they only have about, I want to say 4 dark shades. They extended the line. There's a couple of them that say new. They used to only have 1 dark shade in deep. Now they have mocha, cocoa, and deep. If you can see their shade range. Ooh, they also have setting powder. I would try her out, yes. And they have 3 colors in this. They have translucent light, translucent medium, and translucent deep. So here's what they're huge powders. They even look bigger than the Laura Mercier. So that is super exciting. This is a complicated box. They put some thought into that. Thank you so much, Milk. You were an innovative queen. I love Milk makeup because they look like, they remind me of astronauts, don't know why. Like, you know those packages of dehydrated foods, like astronaut food when we were kids? I don't know why it reminds me of Milk makeup. Anyways, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my first PR unboxing video. Leave me a comment down below on what other videos you want to see. If you like this, let me know and like this video because I love your feedback. Leave a comment on which one of these products, if you have anyone, which one would it be? Because I'm going to try to put it together a giveaway. You should follow me on Instagram to find out when those giveaways go up, and I list all the instructions, and they are worldwide. I will ship it if you live in the middle of nowhere. I will try my best to get it to you. Thanks again for hanging out with me today, guys. Again, follow my Instagram and Twitter and stuff. See behind the scenes, upcoming videos. I'm always on Insta and Chats. Is Snapchat dead yet? I don't know. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.